What's good, Jits? New York session trading time. Kakagaling ko lang sa gym. And, damn, am I gassed, bro. Okay, so, outlook for today. London session manipulation. Like, London session. I'm thinking that London session manipulated this high. New York session wants to reverse. So now I was just looking for like a low time frame manipulation, and I think New York session already gave us that low time frame manipulation by sweeping this high right here. So if I see like a 1 minute break of structure or something, I am willing to enter a short with little risk. Kasi we have news 10 p.m. So who knows, 'di ba? And also nag-break even na ako kanina. I also traded nung London session kanina, which I lost like a few $100 because of fees. Supposedly wala dapat akong matatalong Supposedly wala dapat akong talo doon kasi break even dapat yun eh. Pero for some reason, ang taas ng fees, umabot ng $100. Like, what the fuck, man? That's why I want to switch brokers. And eto yung minamata ko ngayon. FX View, nakita ko lang somewhere na okay daw siya. So, might try it out. Pero siguro next week na. So, ayun, okay. Anyway, if we see a break of structure here, I am willing to enter a short with minimal risk. Like, one half lang siguro. One half of my normal risk. No close. Okay, so we did not close below yet. So that's still not a break of structure. Okay. Got a break of structure. Entered. Okay, so I entered here. Saan take profit natin? Take profit would be all the way down here. Okay. Take profit would be towards this low. I did not want to go full size kasi there's like news at around 10 p.m. So I don't want to overexpose myself to the market. I just want to get back yung natalo ko kanina, which I should not have in the first place. Dapat ang ginawa ko kanina actually is because ilang ilang pips na lang sana kanina and it was take profit for me. What I should have done was partially close the position para nakapag-lock in din ako ng profits and then put my stop loss to break even. That's what I should have done kanina. But unfortunately, I wanted the full take profit kaya ang ginawa ko is nilagay ko na lang sa uh, break even yung stop loss ko and then eventually price reverse dun sa entry ko and supposedly I should have not lost any from that pero dahil ang taas ng fee nila inabot ako ng $100 dahil sa fee nila so oops that's why I want to swap brokers really bad yung last broker ko naman sinabi ko rin to dun sa last video. Yung last broker ko naman, ang problem ko naman sa kanila is yung spreads nila. Like, ganito yung spread nila oh. Like, let's say, price is here. Like, dito ka enter. Dito mag-enter yung ano mo. Yung order mo. Like, what the fuck, bro? I don't know kung I don't know kung may broker bang nag-exist na low spread and at the same time low commission because somehow they need to make money somehow and that's the only way those are the only two ways they can make money by spreads or commissions so it would make sense if they have no spread but they have high commission and at the same time they have no commission but they have high spread so I don't know man this is a low I should I partially close again here kasi yung last trade ko ganun yung nangyari it was a low it was a 1 minute low like this one and then doon siya nag-reverse so I'm contemplating whether I should partially close my trade here so far I am up I'm up $90 I do not want to put my stop loss to break even again well at least yet damn I'm hungry bro may dinidefrost ako ditong chicken quarter so after ng trade I'm gonna cook it eat your protein guys and drink your water please stay hydrated guys wow price action is really in favor really in favor with us right now. Parang kanina lang. Oh my God, don't tell me mangyayari na naman yung kanina. Kasi kaninang London session, ganito rin. Price was like super in favor of us. Gantong ganito rin. And then suddenly, like, nung andito na siya, like, sobrang lapit na niya sa take profit ko, it just decided to reverse on me. I hope now it does not. Hopefully. Guys, nasa Pasay ako tomorrow. I'm gonna have a Tekken tournament tomorrow. Wish me luck. It's been quite some time since my last Tekken tour na. I'm really excited about it. Eto na yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko na nga ba, baka mag-reverse na naman dito. Pero hopefully hindi naman. Ano ba to? We have a fair value gap here. Where's equilibrium? So far kasi hindi pa siya nagre-retrace eh. We have a few imbalances here. So, yan yung mga pwedeng points of retracements niya. Ang dami actually. Pero wag na, wag na. Wag na mag-retrace. Dumiretso ka na dun. Dumiretso ka na sa baba. Okay na yan. Uh, okay. So, we have 3 fair value gaps. Tingnan natin kung saan siya magre-react. Order block andito. Equilibrium inline dito sa gitnang fair value gap na to. Okay. Good sweep. So, ang aking criteria always to enter a trade is I want to see a high time frame liquidity sweep. Well, not necessarily a high time frame liquidity sweep, pero depende kasi sa sa daily profile and sa market structure ng higher time frame. Pero basically, ah kung makakita ako ng high time frame liquidity kung makakita ako ng high time frame liquidity sweep, pupunta ako then sa mag-i-scale down ako sa lower time frames, and then maghahanap ako doon ng another low time frame liquidity sweep. And then kapag nakakuha tayo, okay. I think I wanna partially close my trade. Ay, hindi pa pala. Okay. So, kapag nakakita tayo ng low time frame liquidity sweep followed by a break of structure, in our case, ito yung break of structure natin. So, dito tayo nagkaroon ng break of structure. That's enough for me to enter the trade. So, ayan. And then, of course, stop loss just above the liquidity sweep. And take profit would be like kung asaan yung other points of liquidity. In this case, this is liquidity, this is liquidity, this is liquidity, and this is liquidity. I honestly want to like I honestly want to close it right now. Kasi I really don't want to overexpose myself to the market. And we're creating like lower highs. Sorry, higher lows. So, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for it to tignan ko lang ano magiging reaction niya dito sa current dito sa pinakamalapit na fair value gap na to. And then I might close half of my position. Since may news din kasi around 10 p.m. which is 30 minutes from now. This is equilibrium and a fair value gap at the same time. That's why nagkaroon ng ganong reaction doon. Let's see kung kaya niyang i-continue yung downward momentum from there. if we get like a bearish candle dito sa candle na to, I'm gonna keep my position. Pero if it like um kung ganyan na bullish candle pa rin siya, I'm gonna close half of my position and just let the other half slide. Okay, so I close half of my position. Might put this at should I put this at break even? No, I don't want to put it at break even just yet. Kasi may order block dito. So it might reverse from there pa. It's pretty much disrespecting these 1 minute fair value gaps. Okay. Now we're at the order block. Di na tayo magkakaalaman. Good reaction so far. Yeah, good bearish reaction. I still can't get over dun sa break-even trade ko kanina na naging minus $100 for me. Like, what the fuck was that? That is so stupid. Yeah, I don't like price action right now. So far, it's looking like it's gonna stop me out later on. Pero okay lang kasi like secured, may na-secure naman na akong profit kanina. So, if we get stopped out from here, it just might be break even lang. Again, actually no. Hindi pala. Nice, we made a lower high. Good. I wonder what news is gonna do for us. Kung hindi tayo umabot sa take profit, tas naabutan tayo ng news, I'm willing to put my stop loss to break even and remove my take profit. Like, I just want to see kung saan tayo dadali ng news. Like, honestly, honestly, I think hindi siya masyadong makaka-affect sa market. Kasi ang liit lang ng ano, ang liit lang ng difference sa forecast. So, let's see. We have like 20 minutes before news opens. I mean, news comes in. just gonna cook my quarter leg while we're waiting. Ah, shit. Wow. 270 grams, guys. Still have like 20 minutes. What I don't like about this is that we're creating like higher lows. Pero we did get a nice reaction from that order block. So, yeah. Ah, I feel so tired, guys. I think I need a break on Sunday where I could just slack off. Ah, sana umabot tayo sa news and then news would just like rep downwards. Hoping. Ay, wait. Hindi ko pala nasisisan to. Sorry. Guys, you're watching two videos at once. A cooking session and a trading session. We're gonna get stopped out. Don't stop me out, bro. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out, guys. Hindi pa tayo umabot sa news. Like, news... Ay, shit. News might have saved us. Who knows? Okay. I'm just gonna let this chicken sit for a while. Did I get stopped out yet? Yeah, I got stopped out. How much did I lose? So I lost like $10 on this trade. Kasi I won nung nag-partial profit ako kanina. That was $26. Nag-partial profit ako, that was 26. And then I got stopped out right now for 35. So mga $10 lang yung nawala sa akin. Which is good. I was able to mitigate. I was able to control my risk today. Okay, good enough. See you next week. Bye bye.